Both adults and kids can enjoy yummy gummy bears recipes with corn syrup. Homemade gummies with different shapes can be a good snack. For these gummy recipes, we will be making them with corn syrup. It helps your gummies to become stable and gives the texture that you are looking for. That is why making these homemade gummy recipes can be a fun activity for your family. Besides, these gummy recipes with corn syrup are not only easy to make, but they will taste and look good. What you will need in making this recipe. Ingredients: 1 box of flavored gelatin, about 3 ounces. You may select any flavor you want. It may be raspberry, lemon, orange, pineapple, lime, or strawberry. 1 pack of unflavored gelatin, about 7.2 grams. 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid. 1/4 cup of corn syrup. 1/3 cup of water, at room temperature. Step by step. Step 1. In a medium-sized and microwave-safe bowl, combine the flavored gelatin and citric acid. Afterward, stir until well combined. Then, add the corn syrup and water to the bowl. Stir the mixture gently using a soup spoon until all ingredients combine well. Avoid stirring too fast because it may add air bubbles to the mixture. After that, allow the gelatin mixture to sit for about 5 minutes to let it bloom. Step 2. Once the gelatin has bloomed, stir the gelatin mixture. Place it inside the microwave. Set it on high heat for about 30 seconds. Afterward, stir the mixture again and microwave for another 15 seconds. Next, repeat the heating process of 15 seconds 3 times for a total of 1 minute and a half. If you can see air bubbles forming on the surface of your gelatin, stop heating. After that, stir it gently to remove the bubbles. Step 3. Let the gelatin mixture sit for about 10 minutes. Make sure to stir your mixture every 2 minutes. Then, take the bare silicone molds and grease them lightly using a non-stick cooking spray. Step 4. Gently pour the gelatin mixture into a measuring cup with a spout. Then, carefully pour it into the bare silicone molds. Avoid filling each bare with the gelatin mixture to the top. Leave a little room in each mold. Step 5. Let the gummy bears sit for about 30 minutes. Once done, place the molds inside the refrigerator for another 30 minutes. When the gummy bears are firm, push each piece out of the bare molds and arrange them on a baking sheet. Position each of the bears where they are standing upright. Step 6. Let the gummy bears sit in that position for 48 hours. Lay them on their backs for another 24 hours. This process is long, but it will help your gummy bears dehydrate so that they will become chewy like the store-bought ones. Depending on the climate where you lived, leave your bears for another day or more until they have a chewy consistency. Step 7. Ultimately, when you achieve the right chewiness, you can place your gummy bears inside an airtight container. And they will usually last for about 2 weeks. Tips and tricks. If the gummy bears are sticking together, toss them with a pinch of cornstarch or corn flour. In addition to that, the cold temperature will help your gummy bears set up faster. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.